Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your data onto your Managed Grid pages. First off, we will need to be in either the Managed Contacts, Companies, Opportunities, or the Managed Tasks pages. We will need to go to the Actions button, and then once we are there, click on Export. Then you will see the export options appear, and you will be able to select a file type. Then the row configuration if you want to export all or just a few selected rows. Then the column configuration, which allows you to export selected columns, which you pick below, or you can have the current column configuration you have on your Managed Grid. Then after that, you can select Export, and you will see it pop up in your Downloads bar and in your Downloads folder. And that wraps it up. You now know how to export your data within your Managed Grid pages. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.